Hello friends, in this today we are going to see how to give a perfect introduction of yourself. So I'll take mine as an example so that you can relate to that and you can do similar kind of thing. So while you are giving the introduction, what exactly we are going to cover? So we are going to cover name. First we are going to cover name. Then what are the education, what the company, what you have worked, then roles and responsibility, the technical skill you have. Then you will go to the bit of past experience with respect to what are the different domain knowledge you have, what are the different category of information or skill set you have that we want to go to cover. Then next we are going to do the project. We are try to cover past 2 to 3 project. That's enough. So let's start. Hello, good morning. My name is Bhagwan Mahapatra. I have master degree MCA from Biju Patnaik University and I have MBA from Suraj Kanwar University. Currently, I'm working as a solution architect and helping pre-sales on the ServiceNow related activities. My day-to-day activities like maintaining ServiceNow platform, which is in Movet, it is called Contele platform. And along with that, I'm supporting pre-sales activity. That is what my current roles and responsibility. My technical skill is like database, Java. I started as a Java developer, so Java and database full backend developer I was working. Then I started working in lot of project like AI, ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning, generative AI. Then ServiceNow in and out, ServiceNow development, admin, architect. Then I was few months I was working as a BI developer, BI business analyst, like business intelligence developer and analytics field. I was working few years. So these are my technical skill. Okay, I'll go give a brief about what I have worked in previously. So I have started working as a Java developer. There I was writing the Java codes along with the database queries also I was writing. So that was I was a full stack developer. Then I started working as a data warehouse developer where I was working and taking care of a full data warehouse project. I used to write SQL queries, big PL SQL queries like 300 400 lines of PL SQL queries, and the entire data warehouse from ETL, all the ETL part I used to take care, like ETL extract, transformation, and all fact, and doing all the aggregation all through SQL queries we used to do. So that I used to take care. Then later part I was working in artificial machine learning project where we used to, based on this data warehouse data, based on that we used to predict some of the information used in some AML algorithms, supervised algorithm on unsupervised algorithm that I have worked. There I worked as a Python. I used Python Panda, and NumPy. Then different modules I used. Later part, I was currently last 8 years I'm working as a ServiceNow, full to full ServiceNow infrastructure or ecosystem I'm working. I used to take care of ServiceNow administration, development, and architecture, integration, and pre-sales, new innovation activity like implementing generative AI. In fact, apart from that, as an infrastructure, I know that cloud environment, how it works, and I have a basic hands-on experience also in the cloud environment, different services on AWS and Azure, partially in Google. I have worked only speech to text translation, few of the cognitive modules, but not infrastructure. But in AWS and Azure, from launching from EC2 instance to creating a infrastructure for any of the project, and adding chatbot, creating different database, integrating with them, Lambda code, writing Python Lambda code, and publishing API gateway. So those things I have experience in that cloud. So coming to my project, there are last 2 to 3 past tech project I will explain here. So last project which I have working current project is maintaining the platform. So Movet is having a platform called Contele where we used to manage the entire ITSM ecosystem with monitoring. So that our AWS Enterprise Service Management System used to that I'm taking care of hundreds of people who is working on this environment, and maintaining that, helping the project management aspect, helping the architecting, integrating new things, then doing the daily basis business as usual activities like cleaning of ServiceNow instance, identifying, onboarding, adding, removing users, sending billing reports, and licensing, those things I'm taking care. Apart from that, I'm taking care new initiatives in the ServiceNow ecosystem, like implementing generative AI. We have done a POC in generative AI. So in ServiceNow, we have done a POC using Azure generative AI, that is Azure OpenAI stack, where we have created Azure OpenAI credential in Azure OpenAI. From there, we have consumed the API in ServiceNow instance, and there we are able to integrate into the workflow, plus integrate into our virtual assistant and integrating system case management. We are able to summarize those cases. We are able to translate into different languages. And apart from that, I have experience in project management also. Project management, I'm a certified project manager. I used to conduct daily meetings, daily sprint, Scrum, Agile, like as a team. I used to manage through Scrum as a practice here. Daily sprint will be there, daily meetings will be there. We used to conduct that. So apart from that, we have I'll tell you something. I have written a lot of script to automate the infrastructure, like one of the automation project which I was working to automate entire infrastructure, like starting from Java server start, reporting server start, SQL query injection, and start stop AWS cloud, start stop of any infrastructure. All those kind of automation I used to do. That involves ServiceNow orchestration module, along with that event management, ITSM suite, where one event will trigger and it will go and pick up the workflow, and then it will run through mid server, and it will go and fire that query in the server. So that's what I have done. Apart from that, I believe in three things: people, process, and technology. So for people related, I'm a certified great manager, GMI certified great manager, where I used to manage I can able to manage large scale of people. And there I used to see how to engage with people, how best we can handle the people. So I have certification. Then process wise, I'm an ITIL and ServiceNow certified. Along with that, I have project management certificates. Then technology wise, I'm a ServiceNow certified administration certificates I have. And along with that, I have cloud certifications. Along with that, machine learning certifications, technical certifications I have. So that is what my introduction. Thank you.